Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today we are talking about how Instacart is actually raising rates for shoppers. If you're an Instacart driver, this is definitely something you want to hear. But before we get started with this video, I did want to let you guys know there's a sign up link in the description of this video where you can sign up to be a Lyft driver, and you actually get a bonus using this link where you can get up to $1,000. So be sure to check that out. Also, if you are a rideshare or delivery driver, or really do any of these like gig apps and your account got deactivated, there's actually a way you can potentially get it back. We have a link in the description for this awesome website called the Reactivation Center, and on that website they have a ton of resources for you to be able to get your account restored if it was deactivated, and hopefully you can get back to earning more money. Anyways, let's get started with the video. So I have this article here from the Daily Wire, and they mention that Instacart is actually instituting a gas surcharge. A lot of other companies are also doing the same. So I'm sure you guys know that gas prices are absolutely insane right now. If you didn't know, it's mainly because of the Russian and Ukrainian war that's going on right now. The US banned imports from Russia, and Russia is one of the biggest oil and gas exports in the entire world. It's not just the US that's experiencing this rise in gas prices, it's like the entire world, because like the rest of Europe also stopped taking imports from Russia, and Russia actually exported about 60% of Russia's oil and gas exports were actually to the rest of Europe, and then 20% to China. So it's really just like the whole world is kind of going through these gas price raises lately. So yeah, inflation is crazy right now. So Instacart announced that they're going to have a gas surcharge, which is similar to what Uber and Lyft are already doing. It's charging Instacart users an additional 40 cents per order, which is given directly to the shopper. So if you're an Instacart shopper, you'll actually be compensated a little bit extra just to cover like gas charges, which is really nice. But just keep in mind, this is a temporary fuel assistance. It's really Instacart's way of trying to give back to their drivers and accommodate for this huge surge in gas prices. So just keep in mind that this probably won't last forever, but we're also hoping that the gas prices are going to go back down. So hopefully they continue to do this until that happens. So yeah, as I was saying earlier, Uber Eats and Lyft actually did the same thing earlier, where they wanted to kind of give back and accommodate for their drivers by implementing this like extra fee that the consumers have to pay that goes directly to the drivers. And so yeah, this is really just their way of trying to encourage people to stay with Instacart, because a lot of people have been dropping their gig apps lately because of how much money they have to pay for gas, and like they're wondering if it's really worth it. So if you are an Instacart driver and you didn't know this, now you know that you are getting compensated a little bit extra just to cover gas charges. Don't feel too discouraged about this rise in gas prices, because these companies are trying to be accommodating. So what do you guys think about what Instacart is trying to do along with these other like gig companies? Do you think that this is helpful for Instacart shoppers, or do you think they need to give more money? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Also, if you want to see more videos from the Rideshare Hub, be sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any of the future videos that are going to be coming out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!